Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and I want to show you this adorable skinny tumblers I just found. HASLE Outfitter skinny tumblers are the perfect gift. I love how these comes in a bulk set just in case you want to buy more than one. You can get them at a great price. These are great for traveling, for work, or for everyday use. This is the 20 ounce, which I think it's a perfect size. I like that they're leak proof. And I also appreciate that the lid has this little silicone that's removable, so you wash it very thoroughly. These cups are high quality, they look very elegant, and I love their minimalist look. You also have an option of putting any sticker on the cup if you want this to be personalized as a gift. These tumblers would be a great gift for either friends or the family, but that's just my point of view.